How are you, my dear learners? I hope you are well, safe and secure at your home during COVID-19. I am Ruhul Amin, Assistant Teacher, Shubil High School, Bogura. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss English first paper for class 6, lesson 21, page number 66. Dear learners, before going to start today's class, we will enjoy a song as living at your home during COVID-19. You are very fed up. মানুষ সারা খেপারে তুই মূল হারাবি, মানুষ বুঝলে সোনার মানুষ হবি, মানুষ বুঝলে সোনার মানুষ হবি। মানুষ সারা খেপারে তুই, মানুষ সারা খেপারে তুই মূল হারাবি, ও তুই মূল হারাবি। হে মানুষ বুঝলে সোনার মানুষ হবি, হে মানুষ বুঝলে সোনার মানুষ হবি। এ দলে বিহীনালে সোনার মানুষ উহু জলে, এ দলে বিহীনালে সোনার মানুষ উহু জলে। মানুষ গুরু কৃপা হলে, মানুষ গুরু কৃপা হলে জানতে পাবি, ও তুই জানতে পাবি। হে মানুষ বুঝলে সোনার মানুষ হবি, হে মানুষ বুঝলে সোনার মানুষ হবি। Dear learners, what kind of song it is? You know very well, this is a mystic song. So, today we will discuss Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja, take out your English past paper. Page number 66, lesson 21. Today's topic, Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja, the mystic bird of Bangladesh. The mystic bird of Bangladesh. Lesson 21, page number 66. Dear learners, you can see the picture of three mystic birds. Number 1, dear learners, can you guess of whose pictures you can see in your textbook, in the textbook? Dear learners, look at your textbook. Section A, look at the picture below. Do you know who they are or anything about them? Can you match the names with the pictures. Dear learners, you can easily understand and see that the first picture from the left side, Lalon Fakir. The picture of Lalon Fakir, and in the middle, Hasan Raja, and number 3, Shah Abdul Karim. Shah Abdul Karim. Dear learners, let's read out the passage loudly. The above pictures are of the 3 well-known mystic birds of Bangladesh. They are famous in Bangladesh and in other countries too. They are Lalon Shah, Hasan Raja, and Shah Abdul Karim. Dear learners, Shah Abdul Karim is very well known for his folk song. Can you see any song of Abdul Karim? Let's enjoy a song. গ্রামের নওজোয়ান হিন্দু মুসলমান মিলিয়া বাউলা গানার মুর্শিদি গাইতাম আমরা, মিলিয়া বাউলা গানার মুর্শিদি গাইতাম। আগে কি সুন্দর দিন কাটাইতাম আমরা, আগে কি সুন্দর দিন কাটাইতাম। গ্রামের নওজোয়ান হিন্দু মুসলমান, গ্রামের নওজোয়ান হিন্দু মুসলমান মিলিয়া বাউলা গানার মুর্শিদি গাইতাম আমরা, মিলিয়া বাউলা গানার মুর্শিদি গাইতাম। আগে কি সুন্দর দিন কাটাইতাম আমরা, আগে কি সুন্দর দিন কাটাইতাম। Dear learners, it's also a mystic song from Shah Abdul Karim. Let's see next passage. A bird is on who writes poems and songs, and a mystic is one who tries to search the truth and become united with God through prayer and meditation. All 3 birds wrote poems and songs. All 3 birds wrote poems and songs to express their deep thoughts and feelings about God, life, and love for man. Dear learners, let's see the section number B. Today you will read about the mystic poet Hasan Raja. Read the following text. Dear learners, let's see and let us read out the passage loudly. Everybody take out your textbook given by NCTV. Hasan Raja was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet. He did not receive much formal education. In his youth, he led a life of luxury. He had everything: money, comfort, and pleasure. At one time, he understood that all these are meaningless. He gave away all of his properties. He started to think deeply about the Creator, about life, death, and mankind. Hasan Raja wrote a lot of songs, perhaps about 1,000 in number. Dear learners, you know very well, Hasan Raja is popularly known for his mystic songs and folk songs. Let's enjoy a song of Hasan Raja. লোকে বলে বলে রে ঘর ভারী ভালা নায়া মা, লোকে বলে বলে রে ঘর ভারী ভালা নায়া মা, কি ঘর বানাইমু আমি, কি ঘর বানাইমু আমি শূন্যের মাজারে, লোকে বলে বলে রে ঘর ভারী ভালা নায়া মা, লোকে বলে বলে রে ঘর ভারী ভালা নায়া মা, ভালা কইরা ঘর বানায়া কদিন থাকুমার, হায় রে কদিন থাকুমার, আইনা দিয়া চাইয়া দেখি পাকনা চুলা মার, লোকে বলে বলে রে ঘর ভারী ভালা নায়া মা, লোকে বলে বলে রে ঘর ভারী ভালা নায়া মা। Dear learners, again we read out the passage. Dear learners, be attentive. Hasan Raja wrote a lot of songs, perhaps about 1,000 in number. His book called Hasan Udas was published in 1906. The book had 206 songs in it. In his songs, Hasan Raja called himself Crazy Hasan Raja or the Pagla Hasan Raja. Pagla Hasan Raja. Dear learners, about this factor, about this subject, we will enjoy another song at the end of the class. A volume called Hasan Raja, Samagra, complete works of Hasan Raja, was also published. The book contained 500 poems and songs. Some of the songs were written by the poet in Hindi. Not only in Hindi, now in many languages. In many languages, his songs and his philosophy is translated. Let's see another passage here below. Hasan Raja's songs were always popular in Sylhet, but very soon they spread all over Bangladesh and beyond, not only Bangladesh, all over the world. All over the world. His songs spread. In India's West Bengal, some eminent folk singers well, in the next case we will discuss that what meaning. Actually, who sing the folk song, they are called folk singers. Folk singers some eminent folk singers made Hasan Raja's song popular. Actually, he becomes very popular by the folk songs in the country and outside the country. When you grow older, you will learn more about this great mystic poet through reading and listening to his songs. Dear learners, take out your khata and write down the words which are unknown to you. We will detect the words which meaning is very important to us. Is number 66. Dear learners, write down in your khata. Well long. Let's go the first passage of this lesson. Well known means famous. Well known means famous. Mystic bird. Write down in your khata. Mystic bird. Nature poet. Actually, the poets who have the spiritual power, inside power, and think deeply for God, man, nature, are called mystic birds. Dear learners, your SARS, S-E-A-R-C-H, SARS, S-E-R-C-H, SARS means look for or seek. Look for or seek, search. And you can see another important word here. Write down. Very carefully write down in your khata, dear learners. I am going to vanish it. meditation. Meditation. What's the meaning of a word? Meditation. Think. Deep think. Deep thinkings. Deep thinking. Thinking. Deep thinking. Dear learners, here we can say another important word. Here, I'm going to vanish it. Write down the words very attentively. Express. 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 Express means disclose. 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 Disclose feelings. The learners, I'm going to section B. Here we can see another important words. Receive. 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 You can see another word receive here. Receive. Receive. Write down in your khata, the learners. Receive. See. Receive. Receive means take. 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 Receive means take. Another important words. Meaningless. 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 Without meaning. Without meaningless. Yeah. Actually, which are to understand difficult. To understand difficult. These are called meaningless. Yeah. Having no meaning. Having no meaning. Having no meaning. Dear learners, these are important words of this passage. We can see another word here. Write down. If you know the words, if you know the words very clearly, you understand the passage and write correct answer. Imminent. 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 What is the word? What is the meaning of this word? Imminent. Its also meaning here. Famous. 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 Imminent means famous. Imminent is fox singers. Famous fox singers. Another words. Popular. 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 It's a very common word to you, I know. It means also famous, popular, reputed, reputed, famous, well known. Dear learners, reading this passage, we came to know about the mystic bird Hasan Raja. What kind of man Hasan Raja was? Dear learners, write down the words. I'm going to finish it. Dear learners, I am going to ask some questions to you. Who was Hasan Raja? Who was Hasan Raja? Who was Hasan Raja? Hasan Raja. Who was Hasan Raja? Where did he come from? Why was he? So will be singular. It may be an intimate tense. Okay. It's also be true. Why was he famous? Dear learners, who was Hasan Raja? You can easily understand that by reading this passage. Hasan Raja, write down in your khata. Hasan Raja was a mystic bird. Hasan Raja was a mystic bird. You may write in this way. Hasan Raja was one of the mystic birds. It may be right. Where did he come from? Where did he come from? Dear learners, when you answer the questions, you should follow the tense. If the questions in present indefinite, you should write answers in present indefinite. If the questions written in past tense, you should write in past tense. Where did he come from? He came from. Came. Should write came. Past form. He came from Ceylon. That means he was born in. He was born in Ceylon, in a landlord family. The learners, listen to me very carefully. Why was he famous? Why was he famous? Why was Hasan Raja famous? He famous. He was famous, or he is famous for his mystic songs, his folk songs. Dear learners, you understand the passage and you infer the meaning of some unknown words. Dear learners, before going to finish, we will enjoy another song from Hasan Raja, from Hasan Raja's folk songs. As I gave you promise in the class. Let's enjoy the song. Baula ke banailo re Hasan Raja re baula ke banailo re baula ke banailo re Hasan Raja re baula ke banailo re baula ke banailo re Hasan Raja re baula ke banailo re banailo baula tar naam hoy je maula banailo baula tar naam hoy je maula dekhiya tar upar jhalo dekhiya tar upar jhalo Hasan Raja hoilo baula ke banailo re Hasan Raja re baula ke banailo re baula ke banailo re Hasan Raja re baula ke banailo re. Dear learners, be happy and safe and secure at your home during COVID-19 and study more and more to make your better future. No more today. Thank you everybody. I will see you in the next class.